Hello and welcome. This is Sonu speaking from Success Speaking Classes. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And today I am with my students where I teach offline classes. And this is my student. His name is Nazre Alam. And on Saturday हम लोग करते हैं practical class because as we have read many times in books or newspaper or also we listen by the speaking people that who are saying that practice makes perfect. That's why we are doing the practice here on Saturday, especially we do so. So let's listen him. What kind? Most welcome.
Thanks for giving this wonderful chance to me to be in front of you. I would like to tell you about myself in brief. One more thing, it is my pleasure to be here. My name is Nazre Alam. I belong to Pantikala district Amroha. I have done 12th class from UP board along with this 1 year computer diploma. I am a student of British Institute of Spoken English at Pakbada. Nowadays, my father is a farmer, while my mother is a housewife. My 5 siblings, including me, I am middle one of them. My aim is to become a doctor. My strength, punctual, soft communicator. My hobbies, playing the cricket, reading the newspaper, speaking English. My weaknesses are believing upon the people easily and not correct in English, not speaking correct in English, getting angry and on the trifles sometimes depend on the condition. That's all about myself. I am going to wind up. Thanks for getting me. God bless you. Have a nice day.
Okay, very good you spoke. Please keep standing here. And कुछ लगता है आपको कुछ hesitations feel हो रही हैं आपको?
No, sir.
Then at the time of speaking you made a few mistake. आपने कुछ गलती की बोलते हुए. In front of the camera, if you are going to stand, first of all we must be confident in ourselves. हमें सबसे पहले अपने आप में कॉन्फिडेंट होना चाहिए एंड वी नीड नॉट टू बी द वरी एंड हमें ऐसा नहीं डरना चाहिए कि आपको कोई मारेगा क्या करेगा कैमरे के सामने बिकॉज बीइंग अ बिगिनर वी कमिट द मिस्टेक बट मिस्टेक्स टीच अस. गलतियां हमें सिखाती हैं. इफ़ वी डू नॉट कमिट द मिस्टेक मीन्स स्टार्टिंग इन टाइम सो डेफिनेटली वी आर द बेस्ट बट व्हेन वी आर द बिगिनर इट्स श्योर दैट वी कमिट द मिस्टेक. हम गलती करते ही करते हैं क्योंकि प्रैक्टिकल क्लास में सैटरडे में क्या होता है केवल हम प्रैक्टिस ही करते हैं और प्रैक्टिस में गलतियाँ होती हैं बट वी विश दैट इन कमिंग टाइम यू विल स्पीक करेक्ट इंग्लिश. आई होप सो. ओके, प्लीज टेक योर सीट. नेक्स्ट वन एंड दिस इज मिस्टर माई स्टूडेंट एंड हिज नेम मिस्टर
Mohammed Suhail.
Okay, he is Mr. Suhail and he is the student of the same class. एंड आई वुड लाइक टू लिसन दिस पर्सन एंड जो इन्होंने तैयार किया है इंट्रोडक्शन के लिए ये आज आपको दिखाएंगे बोल के किस प्रकार से अपने इंट्रोडक्शन को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं फर्स्ट टाइम. आई होप कि उनकी जो परफॉर्मेंस होगी विल बी बेटर. आई होप सो. सो लिसन टू हिम.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for sir giving this wonderful chance to me in front of you. I would like to tell you about myself in brief. One more thing, it is my pleasure to be here. My name is Mohammed Suhail. I belong to Pantikala district Amroha. I have done 10th class from UP board 2020 beside. I am a student of British Institute at Pakbada. Nowadays my aim to become a software engineer. My father is a businessman while my mother is a housewife. I have 4 siblings including me. I am middle one of them. My strength positive attitude, soft communicator. My hobbies are playing the cricket, reading the newspaper. My weakness is believing upon the people easily, not speaking correct English. Not speaking correct English. I am on trifle sometimes depend on the condition. I am going wind up. Thanks for listening me. God bless you. Have a nice day.
Okay, please stay standing. मैं एक चीज़ को देख रहा हूँ. आई एम सीइंग वन थिंग. आप लोग यहाँ आ रहे हैं. यू आर कमिंग हियर वन बाय वन टू डन योर टर्न एंड आप यहाँ अपने काम को ख़त्म करने के लिए अपने इंट्रोडक्शन का बोलने के लिए आ रहे हैं. जैसे आप देख रहे हैं कि आज आपके सामने कैमरा है. चीज़ें आप जानते हैं. यू नो वेरी वेल द थिंग्स दैट एट द टाइम ऑफ गिविंग इंट्रोडक्शन हाउ शुड आई स्टैंड एंड हाउ टू स्पीक. यू नो वेरी वेल, बट जब आप कैमरे के सामने आते हैं तो यू मीन्स फील हेजिटेट, आप हेजिटेट को फील करते हैं, आप सही बोलते बोलते आप गलत बोल जाते हैं. दिस इज नॉट द फाइन वे. Every day come here and after completing my topic I give you chance. No matter that we are attending the offline or the online class, matter is this: as much as you come in front of the camera and you try to speak English, it means that you are polishing yourself. And I told you today that you are going to be in front of the camera, but don't feel so. ऐसा मानो ही मत, महसूस ही मत करो कि हम कैमरे के सामने खड़े हुए हैं. जस्ट लुक देयर एंड स्टार्ट स्पीकिंग. देखें आप बोलना शुरू कर दें. आप महसूस करोगे तो ऑब्वियसली कि आपको फिर कन्फ्यूज़न, डिस्टर्बेंस और हेजिटेशन आपको डिस्टर्ब करेंगी ही करेंगी. सो थैंक यू एंड आई होप कि दैट आप नेक्स्ट टाइम अच्छा करेंगे. ओके, प्लीज़ टेक योर सीट. मिस्टर असलम एंड आई वुड लाइक टू इन्वाइट हिम एंड ये अपना इंट्रोडक्शन बोलेंगे और हम इनके इंट्रोडक्शन को सुनेंगे, क्योंकि जब हम देखते हैं कि जब हम कभी पब्लिक एरिया में जाते हैं या हम मोर देन 10 या मोर देन 3 and 4 स्टूडेंट का हम फेस करते हैं. सो लिसन टू हिम.
गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीवन. थैंक्स फॉर गिविंग वंडरफुल चांस me to be in front of you. I would like to tell you about myself in brief. One more thing, it is my pleasure to be here. My name is Muhammad Aslam. I have been from Paitikala, district Amroha. I have been completed my schooling from UP board. I am a student of British Center of Spoken English. My father is a businessman while my mother is a housewife. I have 4 siblings, including me. My strength: workaholic, soft, punctual, communicator. My weakness: believing upon the pupil easily, not speaking correct English, and getting angry on trifles. Sometimes depends on the condition. That is all about myself. I am going to wind up my words. Thanks for getting me. God bless you. Have a nice day.
Okay, first time he spoke correct English. He spoke mostly correct, but sometimes he is feeling hesitate because this time is his first time, and I hope so that next time he will do better than this time. So thank you, and Mr. take your seat. Please welcome next one.
Thanks for giving me this wonderful chance to me to in front of you. I would like to tell you about myself. One more thing, it is my pleasure. My name is Mohsin. I have been from Paitikala, district Amroha. I have 9th from UP board with along 1 year computer diploma. I am a student of British Institute. I am to become a software engineer. My father is a businessman while my mother is a housewife. I have 4 siblings, including me. Strength: positive attitude, punctual, honest, soft communicator. My hobbies are speaking in English, reading a newspaper, playing the cricket. It's my weakness: believing upon the pupil easily, not correct English, and getting on. Sometime depend on the condition. That is all about myself. I am going to wind up my words. Thanks for getting me. God bless you. Have a nice day.
Okay, same things we are getting here in his introduction, and somewhere he is also trembling. वो कहीं ना कहीं अभी वो घबरा रहा है, next student भी. But this type of the mistake or the hesitation definitely will revamp by the time. And keep listening and keep watching my YouTube channel. And in next वीडियो में आप लोग देखेंगे प्रैक्टिकल क्लास में कि हम अगली क्लास में हम करेंगे रीडिंग द न्यूज़पेपर. समटाइम्स कभी कभी देखते हैं हम कि जो रीडिंग हम करते हैं उसमें हमारा प्रोनाउंसिएशन कभी कभी गलत कर देता है. देन रीडिंग ऑल्सो इज़ द पार्ट ऑफ द स्पोकन. सीधा सा एक मेथड है कि अगर आप बोलना चाहते हैं जस्ट आप बोलना शुरू कर दीजिएगा because speaking comes by speaking. So thank you, Mr. And take your seat, please. Hello, and this is my third student, and her name Sazia, and I would like to listen her, and she is ready for her introduction, and I hope that you will be continue by the end of this video. So please listen her.
Good evening. I would like to say thanks to sir for giving me this chance to speak over the podium. It is my pleasure to be on the podium. I want to tell you about myself. My name is Shazia. I from is Ratanpur Kala, district Muradabad. My father name is Mr. Khalil Ahmed. My mother name is Mrs. Hasina. About my family background, my father is self-help businessman, while is my mother homemaker. I have 4 siblings including me. I am younger of them. I am a student of 9th class. Besides this, I am a student British Institute at Center Pakpura. My hobbies are cooking the food, reading and dancing. My strength is I am punctual and workaholic. My weakness is easily get angry on trifles. That's all about myself. Thanks for you listening me. Have a gala time.
Okay, very good, Sabha. And well done. And she spoke in a nice way. And see you in next video. Keep watching my channel and do subscribe. Don't forget like and share. See you in next video.